Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our Beginner's Guide series. Today, we have something special for all you crypto holders out there. If you're looking for ways to maximize your crypto earnings, you're in the right place. We're diving into the world of Bitget Flexible Savings. Bitget, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges globally, has introduced a fantastic savings program that allows you to earn interest on your crypto assets. We're going to walk you through how it works and how you can start earning right away. So, let's get started. Bitget Savings is a risk-free investment product on the Bitget platform, offering flexible and fixed terms with competitive APRs for investing in popular cryptocurrencies like USDT, BTC, ETH, ARB, XRP, TRX, Matic. Today, we'll focus on Bitget Flexible Savings, which is all about earning daily interest while maintaining the flexibility to redeem your funds at any time. It's incredibly user-friendly, making it easy for investors to manage their assets, view interest rates, and track their investment performance. Now, let's break down how Bitget Flexible Savings actually works. The daily interest you earn is calculated using a simple formula. Subscribers receive interest on the value date, at 4 p.m. Universal Time Coordinated, with calculations starting the next day for subscribers after that time. Interest is deposited daily at 12 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated. An example of investing 100 USDT in Bitget Flexible Savings on April 11, 2023, 2 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated, shows an 8% April interest accrues from 4 p.m. Universal Time Coordinated, and an auto deposit of 0.02191780 USDT is received on 12 p.m. Universal Time Coordinated April 12, 2023. Keep in mind that the APR in Bitget Flexible Savings can vary depending on market conditions, so it's important to stay updated. Ready to get started? Here's a quick tutorial on how to subscribe to Bitget Flexible Savings. For web users, follow these steps. Visit the Bitget website and create a new account or log in if you already have one. Then, click on Savings under Overview from our homepage. Select your preferred asset with the Flexible Savings option and click on Total Earnings to see more information. Choose your saving plan and click on Total Earnings. You'll be directed to the confirmation page. Confirm the user agreement and click on Subscribe to proceed. If you don't have sufficient funds, you can easily buy assets or deposit more into your spot account. And for our mobile users, here's how you can do it. Make sure you've downloaded the Bitget app on your Android or iOS device and logged in. Click Earn on the app's homepage. Click on Savings and scroll down to find your preferred asset. Choose your saving plan and proceed to the confirmation page. Now, what if you want to redeem your funds from Bitget Flexible Savings? It's just as simple. For web users, visit the Earn Orders page, select the subscription you wish to return to your spot account, and click on Redeem. A pop-up confirmation page will appear. Enter the amount you wish to redeem, confirm the user agreement, and click Confirm. Your funds will be back in your spot account shortly. For app users, visit the Savings page, click on My Earnings, select the subscription to redeem, and click Redeem. And there you have it, folks, a beginner's guide to Bitget Flexible Savings. It's an excellent way to earn daily interest on your crypto assets while maintaining flexibility. So, why wait? Join Bitget today and start maximizing your crypto earnings.